Welcome to JH. To achieve peak SDR performance on your MSI MAG 274 QRFQD2, start by selecting User Mode. This grants you complete authority over your display settings while utilizing the native color gamut without unnecessary processing. For the color temperature, choose the custom option and set red to 50, green to 50, and blue to 42. This configuration provides a 6434K white point for a neutral, lifelike appearance. Adjust your brightness to approximately 24 to reach 60 nits, which is perfect for reducing eye fatigue during long sessions in dimly lit environments. Ensure your response time is set to fast, as this is the optimal choice for 180 Hz operation to maintain sharp motion without blurring. You should also keep adaptive sync enabled to ensure compatibility with FreeSync or G-Sync and prevent screen tearing. Keep night vision disabled unless you require a slight lift in dark areas. If used, the normal setting is best to avoid an artificial look. Instead of the monitor's specific low blue light mode, simply use a warmer color temperature to protect your eyes while maintaining superior color quality. If your work requires precise color accuracy for tasks like photo editing, utilize the Pro Mode options to switch between sRGB, Adobe RGB, or P3. Be aware that these modes will lock your brightness and color temperature adjustments. For HDR content, the user preset remains the most balanced choice to avoid the oversaturation found in other modes. Note that once HDR is active, brightness and color channel controls are automatically disabled. Finally, if you need enhanced sharpness for competitive FPS gaming or high-detail visuals, try switching to the FPS preset.